traders, we're looking at Bitcoin at the moment. Interesting price action on this daily time frame here. So what I'm seeing is this. We have this range and relative equal highs here, building liquidity above. Obviously we can see from this spike up, but we'll just name it liquidity pool up in here. So we've got traders both long and short. It's building liquidity on both sides, but more importantly, we've got stops building above here and they get taken out fairly convincingly. Look at this spike. Look how aggressive that was. And when I see something like this followed by, have a look at this candle, this displacement. It's telling me that big guns are involved short here, or they're invested short. Okay, it takes a fair bit of volume to move the market like that, and of course it followed through. And I mean, this is looking like a typical reversal, although I mean I'm not going to confirm that at this point. But you know, when you see like double top, triple top, thing like that, and a spike above, especially with a move like this, with a lot of momentum, and you get this break of market structure to the downside here. So we've broken this trend. The reversal's not confirmed for me yet, but if we were to pull that through, all right, so it's fairly obvious on this time frame that we're seeing this breakdown here, this shift in the trend. So we get this move, and then we get an aggressive pullback up into this bearish distribution level. So we can mark that up. So this is a fairly solid resistance level here. And I mean, you can see that. You can see how the price is reacting. And it's having a tough time breaking north. So given this price structure, break of this trend here, this move here, and the retrace, I'm thinking that we see more downside more than anything. So we could pull Fibonacci from high to low. See how this is pulled into the 50% level here. 50%, 50 to 618 is generally where I would like to enter. You could even pull this from these candle high body, I should say. Candle body high to low, this price swing. And I'm getting the 50 to 618. So it is a bearish structure. Now, in saying that, this is highly manipulated and it could trade in any direction, but I think my bias is more leaning to the downside, if anything. And I mean, it could be wrong, but I mean, all you can do really is look at the chart, see what it's showing you, and make up, you know, we'll build an argument. So I'm just looking to build an argument short. Now let's just go down to, say, a 4-hour chart. If this is the case, then I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity. But you want to be really careful because there's just a few things about this. Let's see if I can delete that. Bear with me for a minute. Delete. There we go. We have, on this time frame, we've got this, see this move here. Okay, so we've got this bearish imbalance. The market's looking to rebalance and it's looking for liquidity. So there would be a fair bit of liquidity resting above here in the form of sell stops, buy stops I should say. So we can call that a liquidity pool. Okay, so you want to be really careful. Now the only way that I would get involved with this at the moment would be if I see, let's just, well, we've got this range here. This is sideways. I'm leaning more south than north, but for me to get involved, I would need to see that. Okay, this is not a prediction. All this is if we break this low and retest and fail here, I would enter short. And then we'll look at some targets. So if that's the case, then we can pull a Fibonacci from high to low, something like that. I would like to see this come back into the 50 to 618. That's my sort of default Fibonacci get interested level. Something like that. I mean, if we get a pull back up in here, okay, the breakout, the retrace, and fail, and if we start to see this, you want to see price starting to, let's just draw a little thing here, rotate. You want to see the rotation. In other words, you know, go down to a 15-minute, 5-minute time frame, and then you want to see it rotating, and then you want to see on the lower time frame, whoops, okay, lower lows, lower highs. You know, you want to see the trend starting to shape up. So that would get me interested. Now for some targets, I will go back. Well, we could scrunch up this 4H. If that's an entry, targets would be this balance area down in here, or even this low. So you look at the price swing low to high. Oops, okay. Getting a bit of a delay with my, I'm wondering my computer's running out of memory or something. Well, we'll do that. All right, so there's a target. This area down in here, that's target 1. And I mean, after that, we just look for these levels left. You know, we've got this balance area down in here, target 2, something like that. You know, and if it does continue down, we've got this low over here as well. That kind of makes sense, and it's nicely staggered. So again, it's not a signal or anything like that. It's if we see a break, retest and fail, then I'm short. Okay, so that's my take on Bitcoin at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.